Media Choice Television, its presenters, associates, and affiliates may not be liable for views shared on this program. Age restriction and viewer discretion is advised.
Colleagues, I'm getting painful stories. I'm getting growing stories. When you talk to doctors, you again know how deep it is. But it seems our schools have been penetrated completely. Not only schools, it seems the recruitment centers are very open.
You get attracted to men.
Yes.
Like which kind of men?
Is that I had my secondary teacher. Nachiraba, we are very good friends of women. And we are very good friends who could sit together. Nachi, they come. Then I started with my secondary teacher. He was teaching me English. We started it. After starting it, then, you know, we have a cousin in Bivako. I don't know if these people, they listen.
So did you engage yourself with the teacher sexually?
We did. I didn't know how to romance. I didn't know how to do what. Because I came out when like a pain. Very painful. It was not easy.
In your first relationship with the teacher, were you the man, were you the woman?
I was a man.
In your first relationship with the teacher, were you the man, were you the woman?
I was a man.
Okay. Tuli mu LGBT community tuzo okupikinga ebirowoozo era nga we want to reach out to them batubuulire bitali byagamba nti bino many people assume nga nagamba ate bino ate abo balimba bakola ki. You cannot start coming up with laws without understanding the society. Omuntu b'olimu olina okusooka n'obategeera ne bakubuulira ebirowoozo byabwe. Before him gwenda aba wano mbadde n'abantu ebirowoozo ebyenjawulo bagamba this is who I am, this is what I want, you cannot do this, you cannot do that. Kati kuba kyesimanyi nkuyite ssebo nkuyite ntya?
Ojja kumpita ssebo.
Osinga kwagala ku addressinga lulimi ki Luzungu, Luganda?
English.
English. So we need to understand this. I need to talk to you about this LGBT thing. What do you know about it? Are you part of it? Are you part of it? Let's start there.
Now, the LGBT, I'm part of it. I'm part of it, and I'm afraid to eat. And many times I support it, and I love it, me myself.
You love it. Is it? Did you get to LGBT by choice or by recruitment? Were you recruited into this first, or it's what you are?
No, I didn't choose it. I was not recruited at all, but I was born like that.
How did you find out you're that? How? So, for you as your, what's the dominant part in you? What's the dominant gene in you?
It took me time to come to understand that I'm like that. Because I did new senses to try to fight that kind of a thing. But after coming to understand that I'm that way, then I followed. I followed that kind of whatever that is giving me peace.
So then when you were still fighting it and now when you accepted it, compare to me those two situations. Which is the most interesting to you?
Yeah. Like fighting it, to fight it, I was to show the family members that me, I'm a person of ladies, could sleep with girls. To an extent, I even gave birth. Trying to fight that situation. But after coming to understand something that is giving me peace, from that day now I have peace.
You get attracted to men?
Yes.
Like which kind of men? How do you get attracted? You look at a man and this is what attracts you.
I had it before, but I never wanted it me myself. Until I come to myself, I fall here.
Then the experience of starting it, how did people see it? Because initially, you wanted to force yourself into something that does not please you to please the family. At first, you were forcing yourself to please the family. Now you decide that I can't be like that. Family of Enyiga, Yemanyi, I'm attracted to men. How did you start? Did you start by finding this community, or you found a few people around and you talked to them about it? How did it start?
No, I did not start like that. The only starting of me speaking the truth is that I had my secondary teacher. Nachiraba, we are very good friends of him. And we are very good friends who could sit together. Nachi dekam. Omani, like picking somebody. That you think maybe you're going to teach him something. But at the end of the day, kumbenga chiri mumusai. That's how I started. Then I started with my secondary teacher. He was teaching me English. We started it. After starting it, then, you know, we have a cousin in Bivako. I don't know if these people, they
So did you engage yourself with the teacher sexually?
We did.
How did it feel?
Feeling it. It wasn't easy because I was starting.
Like girls, you know when girls are starting these things of relationships, you date them. By the time you take them to bed, you can even fight with them. On that first day, they don't know.
I didn't know how to romance. I didn't know how to do what. Because I came out when my campaign is very painful. It was not easy. But I got used someday.
Okay, but did you enjoy it?
I did it, and I even forgot about when. Meaning I enjoyed it.
Let's talk about that teacher. Did you ever realize maybe this teacher had influence, or maybe he was in a group of, because people normally say that the LGBT community, people don't go there because it is who they are. They go there because someone recruited them and told them the good things, promised them jobs, promised them to fly them to some European or some state in the US. So for you, when this teacher was starting it with you, did he ever promise you anything?
He did not. What you should come to understand, an LGBT person wakes up early morning, nakugamba, he was recruited somewhere, or she was recruited. Just come to understand that one is lying.
Hey, he's not. You know, some
He's
people
not.
masquerade
She's
thinking
not.
they'll...
He's not. That one is not. But an LGBTI person, you just feel that kind of a feeling within your heart. Novera ungowulira, you like that one. You like that one. You
So
feel
in
you
your
want
first
to do
relationship with the teacher, were you the man, were you the woman?
I was a man.
Are you serious?
So I was very young. And the person is very older than me. They have answered.
Come on, wakwana teacher.
Samukwana.
You see, when, for us the boys, when we were in school these days, once a teacher suspects you're talking about the female teacher, they can cane you seriously.
Not that. It's why many times, if I was a parliamentarian, I could speak to the government. You know, there is a difference between recognition and acceptance, like accepting people, then recognizing them. To recognizing people, the LGBTI is not going to leave. It is there, you need to recognize it. But now you may not accept it, accepting it. Then it's when now the parliament will have to come up with the bills, then they come with the laws, with the LGBTI, what. But to recognize these people are there. babeerayo abo babeerayo.
So what the LGBT community wants, is it accepting them or recognizing them?
No, right now we are not going to be accepted. We want to be recognized in a fully something.
That
in the fullest.
Like
Because
it is accepted that a man marries a woman in church. They go have
that
babies.
Is that one not going to be there. I'm saying yeah, I was sitting here.
Like you see, the public should, what you're saying, the public should recognize that those people are among us, Jebali.
Recognition of those people. If at well lubricants Zaffe, kubanga tebagenda zirya, banaziteekawo, bazituwe, batuweka lubricants kave, batuwe condoms Zaffe. They recognize, batuweka prep cafe, batuwe pepo waffe, something like that. But not accepting where my mother is not going to understand that I'm a gay.
Then I understand. I understand what you're talking about. Biriba bireke bitambule. Naye wankubadde oba maama otajja kukikkiriza. Naye asobola okukitegeera nti gye kiki, okukitegeera n'okukikkiriza byanjawulo. Let me go back. Ticho oyo okyamukubirako.
Teacher wange balirayo ku WhatsApp yagenda Somalia naye sikyalina simu.
Tomumisinga?
Yeah, of course I did miss him. He's my mentor. Right now we are friends. We are friends. He's my mentor. He tells me what means by LGBTI, whatever. Like he's my mentor.
So I want to ask you something else. Ebintu bino ekiteeberezebwa nti you see, in what people, other people, you guys don't see it, you see it, but in what other people call normal, bw'obeera nga wayagadde omuntu n'oyagala omulala wabeerayo ebbuba that can cause omukazi omu n'ayiira munne acid. Like amuyiira acid tiyamwagalidde omwami we. Mu LGBT community tebaliyo n'okwana omulala ono n'akwa ebbuba nerimukwata.
Ate kankubulire bino like straight people like heterosexual. Oba you understand it?
Omukazi ku musajja.
Omukazi ku musajja. Awo tewali bbuba yadde naako. When you come to the LGBT community, you'll have to see it. Too much dramatic.
Are you serious? Are you serious?
Eyo tewali yadde naakakoota.
Akabulu akali eri. Tekisisika amaanyi.
Eyo tewali yadde. But you come here, you'll have to see.
Omusajja n'akwatibwa omusajja bbuba nti lwaki okwanya oli.
Ate killing for them they kill. Nakukwatira akambe nakutta full stop. Si bino mbu acid ate acid nga mbere nga nkolabako.
Ebbuba. Are you seriously telling me that people love each other to almost killing another one for you?
Yeah. There is love. The community. Very love. Like this kind of love. Siria kusaga. So I told you that now the government is supposed to recognize these people. Baberayo. Ababantu baberayo. Because they have love. To an extent they even kill themselves.
Someone can commit suicide because omuganye.
Suicide over the bag they were twana afa bufi. Enja ne bamuziika. Naye bali abakazi kyako anoba bunobi. Yagende waabwe.
Asibe emigugu n'agende waabwe era omusajja.
Eno byakweta.
Omuntu kwasita omunyiriza ddala. Naye, do you think that in the LGBT community, let me talk about gay, specifically gay, the person who is in the role, is in the state of a woman, do you think he can fulfill the duties and responsibilities of a woman?
They do.
In a house?
They do.
Seriously?
They do.
Apart
from
the natural.
They are very good. They are very, very nicer than you people.
Hey, are you serious?
Like they have responsibilities more than even the heterosexual. amanyi ojja kunywa ojja kulya, that is the responsibility. Ojja kulya ojja kunywa, the place is very fine, you'll have to put on akakondo, you'll have to buy for you shoes, something like that. They do it. Unless Mbozinga somebody is not having the money. But when he's having the money, make sure that you're very fine in your life.
So, someone in the role of the man goes to a boutique and buys a dress.
Dresses, not even a dress.
Dresses. And instead of a boxer, he comes up with a G-string. Are you serious? So, this person osobola okugenda n'omugulira dress, ye n'agamba, I don't want a boxer, njagala maybe a G-string. Kuba simanyi biko ebyo naye maybe a G-string. N'akyagala.
Yeah, she's very fine. She's very fine to speak what she wants.
And you take it as a responsibility.
Which is okay. I think you start from her. Because you love her. Or you love him, one of the two.
Hey, he doesn't need to force you.
No.
You already love her and you can take what... You see, before I talk to you, I talk to people who think sometimes they wake up in the mood of being a man. Sometimes they wake up in the state of... so either way, it can either be a woman or it can be a man. Kati baba abantu abo bwe bati bo ekimusanyula bw'asikera kubalira gangeno letere jini ogireta. Ate bwakugamba nti leeta akakondo.
Bingo kaleta.
Hey.
If you have that money to buy that kakondo, you buy it. In a minute, by the way, you don't even wait.
You don't wait. So, let me talk now about Valentine. Towards the days when waliwo ennaku eziri recognized on the calendar, Women's Day, Mother's Day, waliwo Valentine's Day, the most popular among all those that women think are their days. The LGBT community, kiki kye mukolera abakyala bammwe? What do you do for them on such days? Women's Day nejja, do you recognize them that they are women?
Why not? We do. We do. And sometimes we even go out. But it depends on the money. Katugambe, Zebambita, I don't want to walk with a trans something. Somebody I hear transing. It doesn't prevent me from making some Valentine over Women's Day over whatever. I can stay home. Netubera na yo, like waka netubera na yi waka. Or either, if I'm not going to get a shame, so baratambula na yine tugenda netutula. Because now these people who are looking at us, we are not seeing them. We batula bafete tubalabye. Bebamanyi.
Mumutambudde mweka mwete mwagala
tutambudde babiri ate bw'otulingiriza biki gwamanyi.
Like there comes
that's how we forge life. Nobeera omwaka gumu ebiri esatu etaano ng'okyaliyo naye ng'onyumira life yo.
Like when you don't buy anything on Valentine's, amakate gatabuka.
Ate tuletabira abo ebisinga naye bano bahetere sokye. Ogula akalabo akanene ateeka atandika n'emitwalo 5 gyotalina. You need to buy a gift, at least something like small. Nogulira omukazi wo oba bbaawo, one of the two.
N'omugamba nti kino oba kino oba kino. People need to understand that. Naye njagala gendako mu part eya it is alleged that in the LGBT community, musasanya nnyo endwadde. In the heterosexual, when you choose a partner, you go and test for HIV and all those things. Does the LGBT community take it serious too before you engage with a partner?
I think it is very too much. You know, there is some them when these people they say. These people, I was working with Tasso one day, I remember. Now Tasso, ne balwanisa sirimu ne bamulwanyisa sirimu n'agaana okuggwawo until they recognize the LGBTI community, testing them, testing whatever, checking their status of HIV. So in the LGBTI community, for us we are very serious in testing HIV. Testing HIV, fighting HIV, whereby we have PrEP, we have PrEP, we have treatment at the fullest. Kugamba, we are the first people. Abasinga n'abana abantu babulijjo.
Okufaayo ku bulamu.
Okufaayo ku bulamu. Kubanga we know the anal sex you see here, it was not made for sex. Ate ekyo tukimanyi. Whereby there is blood contact, what. So if these people are not serious with us, how to jack facility ne tuvaawo fena ne tuggwawo. But what they do, we have PEP, we have PrEP, we test HIV 24/7. Self-testing kits, kugamba bintu ebingi tubeera nabyo. At the end of the day, you feel yourself for smart. No one na HIV. Bayino okugamba mwana wamize eddagala. Ekibiki kale waliwo abakufaako abali awo. Waliwo akakeeya.
Okay, so kyentegedde nti you take ebyobulamu, you take the necessary precautions.
That is
very kubanga abasinga bagamba abo basasanya sirimu abo bakola ki
bali bagisasanya tebakulimbi bali bagisasanya dda naye
babufu kati babufu. I'll end with two questions. One, people assume or allege or say that people are not in the LGBTI community because they want to go to America, they want to go to Europe. They expect donations, gifts, a very good life. Ebyo gwabira bakoje biriyo. Bagabo yingira community ojja kulinya ennyonyi.
Like the first I told you, if you get somebody who is speaking such a kind of a word, just come to understand. Yingira mungalina chabala. But you ask us, the who are LGBTI. You ask us how we came up with. Omundu bakugamba nti muna njagala njingira simanyi bino ebintu. I want to go outside the country. Just come to understand that one is not a gay. That one is not a lesbian. That one is not a sexual. That one is not that.
Ayibwe mwaina byagoba.
Waliwo bana fe. Yokera kumacha. Try to fight something within you. Nechigana. Nogamba kambiveeko kambere byange. Nobeera you are LGBTI. Naye bano nanja nakugamba mbu njagala kulinya nyonyi biki. Ennyonyi osobola girinya naye nga tulina even when you're not an LGBT.
Of course.
Osobola girinya. Naye oli ayagala kuyita eri simanyi biki. Just come to understand your Italian.
Okay. No problem. That's very, very good information for the policymakers to know that you don't wake up and start assuming. You need to go to the people, talk to them, and understand who they are. They tell you exactly what they want, what they think, such that you make informed decisions. Because I hear some people just wake up and try to say this. And moreover, in Uganda, when something comes up, the enforcement of whatever they put as the regulations or what are enforced by police, which police is not empowered to understand the kind of thing they are going to do in the community. Kyenjagala okusembyayo alade jala kubuzaako ku kintu kya gundi kintu kya. Maybe let me leave it at that. Probably we'll see you next time.
But it's okay, you can ask me, no problem. You can ask me. No problem.
Okay, no problem. Okay, kanchibuuze ekintu kino. I hear nti ebintu ebikozesebwa nga lubricants tezikyalabika. Is it government ekikoze kagenderere ki?
Kubanga okukola biddaala naye nga sinywa.
Abamu bagambye buli expensive.
Buli expensive whereby you cannot buy that kind of a KY at 20,000. We don't have that money. So we expect wabano ababulijjo bano bwe batugabira ku facilities eziwera naye at the end of the day olaba akuwadde 20 ate 20 tegamalayo wadde ne wiiki kyokka you're supposed to do sex nokola sex wo mu wiiki but at the end of the day
bugenda kuggwawo mangu.
So meaning tujja kwesiga ebirwadde bitaliimu bitutala.
So you're saying babuleke buflowing babujjeko omusolo bakole ki?
Buflowing a government ebutuwe because even women are using it. You can imagine even these sex workers are using them whatever. So by the two with the LGBT at the same time sex workers.
Okay. Mukitegedde bulungi.
Kalina omulimu
omulimu gw'okukola. Okay, neyanziza nnyo.